In this video, I will show you how you can boost your affiliate marketing results with this done-for-you bonus system. It's well known that offering exclusive bonuses with your affiliate link can increase your conversion rate, and that's done by increasing perceived value, building trust and credibility, overcoming objections, and triggering the fear of missing out. So if you offer your prospects valuable bonuses when they upgrade from your affiliate link, chances are, and it's proven, that you increase your conversion rate. So here is the bonus page that you will be able to import and rebrand with your own affiliate links. On top here, it has a description of the main offer that this system is promoting, and we are actually asking our prospects to upgrade through our affiliate links so that they can have free access to the bonuses shown below. Before that, we're showing here three good traffic sources offering monthly recurring affiliate commissions. So our prospects can use these services here, and they can also promote them to make affiliate commissions. And after that, we present the bonuses that we are giving away if they upgrade through our affiliate link. So there is one bonus here for $17, and another one for $17, and another one for $7. They will have access to these bonuses when they upgrade through your affiliate link. And as you can see, every bonus here has a button to check it out, and actually these buttons here will have your affiliate links for these products here. So even if someone does not upgrade on this offer, on the main offer, they can actually use your affiliate links here and purchase these products. And here is another description of the main offer we are promoting. And by the way, this offer here is giving away a good free traffic package as promo codes on traffic exchange websites. But if you upgrade or if your prospects upgrade, they will have a huge traffic package on multiple traffic exchange websites. So everyone needs traffic actually, and chances are that your prospects will buy from this website and have access to the bonuses shown above. This page actually has another extra bonus here, which is a small strategy to generate more traffic. But you can see that there are big buttons that will have your affiliate link for this opportunity here. So if anyone clicks here, opens the free promo codes for you website, it will see what is the free traffic package that he will get access to if he registers. But after he registers, there is a one-time offer to upgrade to gold membership, and that's what we want our prospects to do, so they have a huge traffic package and also access to the bonuses for free. Now, if they do upgrade, here is a thank you page that you will be getting as well, and you can of course import to your Leads Leap account and rebrand with your affiliate links. And as you can see here on the thank you page, it has buttons that say access here. So if they click here, they will access actually this product, here to access the second product, and here to access the third product. So we are delivering the bonuses on this page, and also the extra bonus for more traffic. So this is exactly a copy of the page that you will be getting to deliver the bonuses for your future prospects. Now, if you take this offer, this is the thank you page that you will access to actually, and this is the video you are watching right now. I made it very easy and very clear actually. Here you get the share codes for the bonus page and the thank you page. So using these share codes here, you will be able to import and then rebrand the 2 pages on your Leads Leap account, and made it easy also to rebrand the thank you page. So every time you want to put your affiliate link, there is a link here that will take you to the affiliate page of that specific bonus page or bonus product. You request your affiliate link here, and then you copy it, and then you go back to the editor of the Leads Leap and put your affiliate links, actually not on these buttons. These buttons need to stay as they are, but on the bonus page, before they purchase an upgrade, you want to put your affiliate links on these buttons here. So same thing, I left this link here. Every time someone wants to grab his affiliate link for a specific product, you just click here, you'll be taken to Warrior Plus, where you can request your affiliate link. You copy it from here, and then you take it to your Leads Leap page builder, and then of course you plug your affiliate link right here on these buttons. So when you send traffic to a page like this, you can have upgrades on the free promo codes for you website. You can have sales on these traffic opportunities. The 3 traffic opportunities here, you'll be able to plug in your affiliate links here, and also you can make sales for the bonuses for those who decide to just buy one or multiple bonuses without upgrading on the traffic website. Free promo codes for you. So every button on this page is rebrandable, and you can put your affiliate link for that specific offer. Also, this offer that we are speaking about right now, it has an affiliate program as well. So if you click on this button here, you will be able actually to purchase. So why don't you get your affiliate link for this offer and plug it to this button here? So anyone who wants to have a page like this one will click on your affiliate link, and you will be making 50% commission. Now let's go ahead and set up the pages. So here I am on my Leads Leap account, and I want to go to Page Manager here on the menu, and as you can see, I don't have any pages. So let's create a page. Click here, add a new page, and then give it a name. I'm going to call it bonus page, and then I will click add now. I can click on this pencil here to give it some properties. Here is the browser title, and let's save this page. Of course, if you are a pro member, you can change the tag here, but if you are a free member, you can just leave it like this. And this is the link for the page. The page is not ready yet. I want to import actually the bonus page using the share code. So go to the thank you page that you will access after your purchase, and then copy the share code that you will find here, copy it, and then go back to Leads Leap, click add a new design, and then paste your share code right here and click the button import. I just did that, and now I can click on this link here to see if I have a copy of the bonus page, and as you can see, here is exactly the same copy of the bonus page that you saw before. And if you want to rebrand it with your affiliate links, you have to click on Launch Editor here, so it will open in the editor, and then you can go grab your affiliate links and put them on the different buttons. Go to free promo codes for you, log in, and then copy your affiliate link, and then come back to the builder, select this button, and paste your affiliate link right here on this spot here. You paste your affiliate link here, and don't forget to save the changes, and then go down, and every time you want to plug in your affiliate link on this buttons here. So put your affiliate link for Leads Leap right here, your affiliate link for Easy Clicks Club, and then your affiliate link for Traffic Blaster Pro. And after that, you want to come to these buttons here and put your affiliate link for every product, every bonus. So you can go back to the thank you page that you got. You can click here on this link here, go grab your affiliate link for that specific bonus, and then come back to the editor and plug it to this button here exactly. Paste your affiliate link for this product and save, and do the same thing for the 2 other products. You can access your affiliate links from these links here. And after that, I'm sure that you can also put your affiliate link for free promo codes for you on this big button, and then you will discover also how to use this small system right here. It's very easy to rebrand. Now, if you are interested in promoting this same offer, so go to the affiliate page and get your affiliate link and put it on this button here where it says click here. You can just select the text here and then click this button and put your affiliate link right here. Click OK and save the changes. Don't miss any button on this page, because this is a page with multiple income streams. So you can make money from this offer here, and you can make money from any other offer on this page. Don't forget to save the changes at the end, and we will do the same thing for the thank you page where you deliver the bonuses. Go back to your Leads Leap account and click add a new page, and here you can name it, for example, TY page for thank you page, and then click add now. And of course you want to click this button to import the template. You want to go back to the thank you page that you received from Warrior Plus and copy the share code for the thank you page. Copy the second share code, go back to your Leads Leap account, click this button and paste the share code here, click import now. I just did that, and this is the link for the thank you page that I will give to my prospects who upgrade. So click on it and you will see exactly how it looks like. It looks like the one that we saw before. It has these buttons here to access the bonuses. You don't want to change them because they will give access to the products to your prospects. So you can change the affiliate link that is here for the extra bonus, extra traffic. You can change it, and also you can change the affiliate links for these 3 programs for traffic and recurring affiliate commissions. So don't forget to plug in your affiliate links right here, and then you will be good to go. You can promote your copy of the bonus page knowing that it has all your affiliate links on it. And also when someone upgrades on free promo codes for you, you will be able to see him and his email address on your back office here, and then all you have to do is send him to the thank you page where he can get the bonuses for free. So I hope these pages, I hope you will like these pages, and if there are any questions, please click on the contact me button below and send me your questions. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.